Tidal energy, a promising renewable resource. Tidal energy, a promising renewable resource. The development of renewable sources of energy is crucial in the fight against climate change and the reduction of our dependence on fossil fuels. Tidal energy is one such renewable resource that holds great promise in the quest for sustainable energy. In this article, we will explore the benefits and drawbacks of tidal energy, the current state of the industry, and its potential for the future. What is tidal energy? Tidal energy is a form of renewable energy that harnesses the power of the tides to generate electricity. The tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun, which creates a cycle. Rise and fall of sea levels. Tidal energy is generated by using turbines that are placed in the path of this rising and falling water, which rotate and convert the kinetic energy of the water into electricity. Benefits of tidal energy. Tidal energy has several key benefits over other forms of renewable energy. 1. Predictable and reliable. Unlike solar and wind energy, tidal energy is entirely predictable and reliable. The tides follow a regular and cyclical pattern that is well documented and understood, making it simple to predict. Output of tidal energy systems. This predictability makes it easier to integrate tidal energy into the existing power grid, as the energy can be generated at times of high demand. 2. Renewable and clean. Tidal energy is a renewable source of energy that produces no greenhouse gas emissions or pollution. Unlike fossil fuels, which require the burning of coal or oil to generate energy, tidal energy relies solely on the motion of the tides to produce electricity. This makes it a clean and sustainable source of energy that can help to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate the impacts of climate change. 3. Scalable and efficient. Tidal energy is incredibly efficient, with the potential to generate large amounts of electricity from a relatively small amount of installed capacity. This means that tidal energy farms can be scaled up or down as needed, providing an adaptable and flexible source of energy that can meet the demands of different communities and regions. Drawbacks of tidal energy. While tidal energy holds great promise as a renewable energy source, there are still several challenges and drawbacks that need to be addressed. 1. Cost. Tidal energy is still relatively expensive compared to other forms of renewable energy, such as solar and wind. The cost of building and maintaining tidal energy systems can be high, and the technology is still in its early stages of development, meaning that costs may continue to rise in the future. 2. Intermittency. While tidal energy is predictable, it is still subject to the vagaries of weather patterns and ocean currents. This means that tidal energy systems may be subject to intermittent output, which can make it difficult to integrate into an existing power grid. 3. Environmental impact. The installation of tidal energy turbines can have an impact on the surrounding marine ecosystem. The turbines can pose a risk to marine life, such as fish and birds, and can affect the natural flow of water and sediment. It is crucial that any tidal energy project is designed and implemented with the environment in mind to mitigate any potential negative impacts. The current state of tidal energy. Tidal energy is still in the early stages of development and is currently only used on a small scale. The United Kingdom, France, and Canada are leading the way in the development of tidal energy systems. Thames, with several large-scale projects currently underway. In the UK, the world's first commercial-scale tidal energy project, Mayagen, is currently in operation off the coast of Scotland. The project has installed 4 turbines, which have a total capacity of 6 MW and can provide electricity to up to 1,750 homes. The UK government has also designated several tidal lagoon projects that have the potential to generate thousands of megawatts of electricity. In Canada, the Bay of Fundy is home to some of the most significant tides in the world, with a potential tidal energy capacity of up to 7,000 MW. Several companies, including Nova Scotia Power, have launched pilot projects in the area to explore the potential of this renewable resource. In France, the Normandy Hydro project is currently under development, which aims to harness the power of the tides to generate electricity for up to 10,000 households. The project is expected to be completed by 2023 and will consist of 2 sets of underwater turbines with a total capacity of 2 MW. The future of tidal energy. While tidal energy is still in its early stages, there is no doubt that this renewable resource holds great promise for the future. As the technology advances and costs continue to come down, tidal energy has the potential to become a significant contributor to the world's energy needs. The International Energy Agency estimates that tidal energy could provide up to 2,000 terawatt-hours of electricity per year, which is equivalent to approximately 10% of global electricity demand. Tidal energy also has the potential to create thousands of jobs in the manufacturing, installation, and maintenance of tidal energy systems. This can provide a significant boost to local economies and help to drive innovation and growth in the renewable energy sector. The development of tidal energy technology and infrastructure is a field that is ripe for innovation and investment.